Hey guys!
Hello!
This is Jo and I'm Jo, and today's video is about soap.
Yep. Stay tuned. Okay, let's start. So I'm Jo, this is Jo. We run Sweden's first package-free shop, Gram, here in Malmö, and we offer an alternative way of shopping for people to help them reduce their waste in life. Bathroom is one of the places that changed most if you are pursuing zero waste lifestyle, because look around, there are like so many bottled shampoo, body wash and all that. So how to swap that into products with lower impact is what we're going to talk about. So we'll go through all the products that we offer and talk about our supplier, the brands that they are from, how they are shipped to Gram, and how to use them, what's good about them.
We start with bar soaps that we offer at Gram. Traditional, yes. And it's very easy swap, I think.
Yeah.
Because we used to use a lot of bar soaps and then kind of like body wash came in. But it's a very easy swap in my opinion.
Yeah. And they're from Malin I Ratan. It's a very renowned Swedish brand with bar soaps, and it's their specialty, and they have so many choices. They use a lot of really high quality ingredients and natural smell from essential oil. Very good blend. That one, it smells like lavender. It's made of avocado oil and shea butter. It's not so drying, because a lot of people feel like bar soaps are more drying than regular body wash, and these are really good.
Really good. And you can use them for your whole body, even on your face. I use it on my face as well.
Yeah.
I think it's great. And like you said, it's not drying, it's actually quite moisturizing.
Yeah. And even hair. Some of our customers use it for their hair and then just use some kind of acidic solution as conditioner. Not the regular conditioner, because it works a little bit differently than shampoo. So apple cider vinegar, you kind of dilute it a little bit with water and then just rinse it. So a lot of people have this concept of like handmade soap is usually going to be a bit mushy in your tray very easily. But these, they work well. They stay like good quality, the good shape. Yeah.
And there's no packaging when they come in. They just coming in usually just a recycled box with some paper inside. And they just lined up here together. So there is no individual packaging or anything like that. We just transfer them into the jars so they don't lose the scent.
Yeah. We also have some accessories for them. For example, the most popular is this one, the soap bag. So you can just put, when it's like small bits, you can put in them and just and use it as a very nice mild body scrub. And to make sure you use it till the last bit. This is really popular.
Very popular. And I've got one. Do you?
I do.
Yes. And the same with this one. This is a loofah. So it's a little sort of like a tray, works like a tray for the soap.
And I think in English it's like loofah pillow.
And so you sit your soap on it, and after a while you can, when you use it, or you can use it as a like a wash for the sink.
Yeah.
And for traveling, if you're going camping or if you're going on holidays, this is the perfect box for the soap. Basically, just to take it with you.
We are going to show you the shampoo bars we have in the next room.
Yeah. I can do the demonstration of it. Yes, of course.
We also have shampoo bars and actually conditioner bars as well. If you want to totally just get rid of the whole bottle shampoo and conditioner. We have two kinds of shampoo bars. These two, and they are from a brand called Grönlycka, a one lady brand in the northern part of Sweden. A lady called Karina, she handmade all of these amazing products, and it's with a lot of natural ingredients as well. And these two, the difference is we have one for like greasier scalp, and it smells like refreshing minty smell, and that one is more a neutral smell and for other kinds of hair type.
So with the soap bars, you wet your hair and you wet a little bit of the soap, and then you just apply it by just trying to make a little bit of a foam on top of your hair, And then at the end, you can just put it away and try to just
use that foam and massage it into your scalp.
And then if you've got long hair, you can just also just do a little bit at the ends here. After that, you rinse it off, and then you've got the conditioner, which is like a balsam.
Yeah. So this, when you get in touch with the water, it will also become a bit like slippery. Just go like several times like that. And if you have long hair, a little bit on the tail of your hair.
Sure. We've got like mini versions, so if you're not sure and you really want to give it a go, you can just take this little one. This is balsam, and this is shampoo, so it's like equivalent of one bottle of shampoo and 1 bottle of conditioner.
And the big one is 3 bottles of shampoo. Actually lasts for a very long time. Another good thing about them is actually it's great for traveling. Basically you can just take these two in a small bag or box that you have, and you're good to go.
And they come the same way, in just a box wrapped with a little bit of paper around them.
From this Grönlycka, we also offer their amazing shaving soap.
And this smell.
This is my favorite. Yes. We both have this one. Troll. It's called Troll. It's bergamot and grapefruit mixture. But we also have this Mr. Cool.
This one is minty.
Yeah,
as well,
like
right?
peppermint, menthol, and cedarwood. Yeah, so very refreshing as well.
Yeah, it's good for summer, I guess. If you don't want to try, you think that shampoo bars are just way too out there and you think it's weird, we still offer something for just a refill of a normal shampoo with this fantastic Swedish brand called Rapsodine. They are so supportive of the whole zero waste movement.
They are very, very positive about like changing their packaging just for us, like in these big buckets, and make sure that they are very responsible for their products, because they offer us all these nice stickers. So you mark either fleet on the 12, which is liquid soap or shampoo or conditioner in your bottle, and then you get a sticker of the batch number on it. And it's very nice that they use some I think organic local rapeseed oil in the base of their products, and also a lot other natural ingredients. And the smell is just
it's like going back to my nana's house or grandma's house and having a smell. I love it. It's just so
it's very mild and
natural.
Yeah.
So this is actually just a normal shampoo that you use, and you can refill them in your own bottles. Bring anything you've got to refill.
We offer some free second-hand bottles donated by our customers as well, or you can buy a new pump bottle here. Like if you prefer some smell, for example lemon or lavender, we also have soap for you. It's a very well-known German brand, and they have high quality and very concentrated
That's
soap,
right.
and very complete series of all kinds of cleaning detergents as well. And like I said, concentrated, so you just need to refill a little bit and it can last for a long time.
And there's one more soap.
Yeah, we forgot to mention this, but actually it's also from the first brand, the bar soap brand, Malin I Ratan. This is magical, this one. I know it looks like just regular soap. But it's very good for for dishwashing, or you can use that when you wash dishes. That one, or we have the
around a little bit.
wooden brush, this one, and just a little bit, and then you can wash like very clean with all your dishes actually.
And did you mention that you can also like try to get rid of stains with that one?
If you want to hand wash your clothes, either it's like very delicate clothes or just a certain stain you want to rub them off before throwing into laundry, then you can absolutely use this one. So works.
I'm gonna give it a try.
I love it. My husband loves it. So I think that's all about it, right, Joe?
Yes, I hope you enjoyed.
Yeah.
And we hope that if you've got any questions or any requests in terms of soaps that you would like to have here in Gram, we're very open to all the suggestions and we can investigate what we can get.
Absolutely.
That's for today.
So
subscribe to our channel.
Yes. Yeah, thank you.
And let us know if you enjoy or if there's anything that you would like us to talk about.
Yeah, absolutely.
Then here in the shop.
See you guys. Hej då.
Hej då!